fix the Fall Guys failed to log in connection error. And if you've been stuck seeing that message, you're not alone. Many players face this problem because the game can't properly connect to the servers due to network glitches or account conflicts. You've probably seen other videos or posts online, but most of them are complicated, confusing, and take forever to follow. On Rexist, I'll show you a secret, simple trick that works fast to get you back into the game without any stress. It only takes a few clicks to reset your connection and clear the login issue, so you can play Fall Guys instantly. If you want a full step-by-step guide on how to do this, comment below and I'll make it for you.